Boys, we're getting pipes done. We're getting downpipes done right now. I cannot wait, bro. Like, you can still hear the pops and stuff, but it's not the same, though. Oh my gosh. That was like the loudest I've ever heard my pops, to be honest with you. And I'm trying to hear from the inside, bro. But we're almost freaking there. I'm hyped, bro. I'm gonna tell these guys to record because I'm obviously not gonna be there. It takes like, dude, it's like a 4-hour job. And I'm not trying to be in their face like while they're freaking doing it. But dude, the tints I got, bro, look at that. You can't even see the back window. I'm definitely getting rid of that, dude. I hate it, bro. It's so like, I can barely see anything. Oof. Such baby pops. What is this, bro? I already know downpipes be so crazy. That's why I'm recording this. Dude, this thing is freaking ridiculous. Man, it's like not me popping right now. So I don't even know, like sometimes like, to me, I noticed that when the pops are warm, it, like, personally, I've noticed it pops more when the pipes are warm. But I don't, honestly, I don't know. Oh yeah, dude, downpipes is freaking everything right now. Freaking love this freaking car, bro. And today, boys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I hit the 1K mark. I made 1.5K trading, baby. Let's go. We're freaking here, boys. Let's get it. Let's go. We're here. So we're freaking here. This is what the freaking downpipes look like. They look so freaking insane. Sheesh, bro. Holy. Look how freaking lit that is, bro. Sheesh, dude. Deleting all 4 cats and freaking hyped. Alright, boys, we're picking up our freaking M5. But look at this freaking M3 right here, though. Jeez, look how sexy that thing is right there. We're gonna pick it up, see how it sounds. I'm excited, bro.
Look for the back, bro. If possible, both, bro.
Holy! Does it hurt your ears?
Yeah.
Holy! Oh my gosh! Okay, that's that's crazy. Holy! Okay, let's get the frick out of here, bro. All right, boys, this will be the first freaking pull in this. Let's get it. Oh my gosh! What the fudge? Dude, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. It's literally black and white. What the heck? I can hear the turbos like it's freaking next to me. Holy. This is crazy. This is a whole different beast. Holy! What the fudge? Oh my! What the? Dude, this, oh my gosh! Dude. I can hear the turbos like it's freaking next to me, bro. Woo! Yo, this is crazy. What the? Oh my gosh! That is crazy! That is crazy, bro. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. That is insane. That is insane. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful, bro. Holy. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. Downpipes are so nasty. Dude, this car sounds so crazy, dude. I'm a downshift right now. I got downpipes over. I'm so happy, bro. It's been like already a couple days. Oh my. Come on, I'm gonna downshift one more time. I know this doesn't let me until 3K. Holy. Oh my. It like doesn't want to pop sometimes. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. These tints are way too dark though. Oh my freaking dude. Dude, there's no way you guys don't like this freaking car. This is just nasty, bro. Yeah, boys, don't worry. I'm getting this crack fixed as soon as possible. Pretty much got this crack literally the first day. I actually have a video on it. You guys saw the video where I was with the McLaren. That's when I got it, bro. Dude, the valves closed actually does such a big difference. Actually crazy. It's actually crazy. Oh my. Oh, dude, I can't get over this. I can't get over this car, bro. I don't think I'm ever gonna get over this sound. Second gear pull. Oh my gosh, those shifts are so disgusting, bro. Shifts are so disgusting, dude. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to go back to Canes with my homies, bro, and actually be able to keep up. And you guys will hear the pops even louder, bro, because the mountains are so close to each other. Oh. Oh my gosh. If you guys like this car, bro, make sure you guys leave a like right now. Make sure you guys subscribe also if you guys are enjoying it. Dude, this car is so nasty. I can't get over it, bro. Oh my gosh. This is like beauty, bro. I told you guys to wait for the downpipes, bro. They're nasty. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my. There's like a specific like RPM range. It's like, oh my goodness. See, I noticed that with second gear, the RPMs are like a little bit tighter. Yeah, it's like 3K, 4K is a sweet spot. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely getting an exhaust system on this. I don't want to be rude with this guy, so I'm gonna keep my distance. No cops, keep my head on swivel. This thing grips, bro. This thing grips like, oh my. Hellcat's obviously more aggressive still. I mean, obviously. Oh my goodness, bro. Third gear? What third gear is like? I think 3 to 4, like right in between. Let me see. Yeah. And then, oh my gosh. Oh, dude, honestly, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know how I'm ever gonna get over this freaking sound. Like, I'm literally gonna get an exhaust system just to make it even more juicy. Because the one time I heard someone with the exhaust system, dude, it was so nasty. It was unbelievable. You guys already know this tree. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get over this, bro. There's no way. Dude, the 0-60 is just like nothing, bro. It feels like nothing's happened. It's like, this is my street right here, boys. You already know. Straight pipe. We're straight piping this thing, bro. Dude, the turbos sound insane when you shift. You can hear the turbos like spooling or something during the shift. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, red light. I love red lights now, bro, because I can do this. Third gear, no pops. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, it's like weird. Like each gear has like a specific RPM range where like if you tap the gas or like downshift a certain way, depending on which like RPM specifically, like it pops a certain way or how much. It's crazy, honestly. Second gear down, when you go from third gear to second gear, oh my gosh, the downshifts are disgusting. Completely disgusting. I'm gonna go on this one street that's like super closed, and then I'm gonna end the video off, dude. I hope you guys are enjoying this car. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this car and the Hellcat is like, they're two different cars, so I love it. Like, it makes me feel like I'm having a new experience. I mean, to be honest with you, like, I'm already used to the car, but the noise is like something I love, bro. Oh my gosh, those shifts are so unique, bro, compared to what I've ever heard. Like, not even the shift, dude. Like, you can just hear the turbos is such a... I love them. I'm so happy I got a car with turbos. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dang, this guy's not worried at all. This guy's chilling. Oh my gosh. Okay, watch. I'm gonna downshift at like 4K RPMs. Right here. Yeah. See, it's like so weird. Okay, below 4,000 is working now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This car is not as aggressive as the Hellcat, but the sounds that come out of this thing is just unbelievable. And the good part is that, yeah, I'm fast now. You know what I mean? No one can say about it's a boat, it's slow. I mean, it's still like a boat, but at least it's not slow like a boat, you know? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how am I ever gonna get over that? That is literally the most amazing sound I've ever heard. Like, I'm already used to the car, guys. Like, this is the way, like, the way you see me about the Hellcat, like, I'm genuinely, every time you hear oh my gosh, I am excited, freaking happy. Oh man, you already know, bridge vibes. But downshift it to second. Okay, downshift. Yeah. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure to leave a like right now. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.